northeastern Lamoille County in northwestern Vermont, western Orleans County in northeastern Vermont.
Excuse this interruption. WBTZ and WIZN Radio need to relay this emergency alert system message.
Thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Winds are estimates over 3 inches of rain has fallen along and east of Route 100. The National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Lamoille County in northwestern Vermont, western Orleans County in northeastern Vermont, east central Franklin County in northwestern Vermont until 9:45 p.m. At 5:49 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Radar estimates over 3 inches of rain has fallen along and east of Route 100 between Eden and Troy, Vermont. Additional heavy rainfall was over J. Peak. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Troy, Eden, Craftsbury, Irisburg, Coventry, Lowell, Orleans, Westfield, J, Albany, Newport Center, J and Franklin County, North Troy, Albany Center, Holbrook Bay, North Woken, Green River Reservoir, South Bay and Orleans County, East Albany and South Newport. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, country roads, farmland, and other low-lying spots. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.
1500 Express Quad Cab